Hi everyone, this is Ruoqi. Welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you're watching my video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Hi everyone, welcome back. In the previous lessons, we finished learning all of the finals. So from this lesson, let's start learning compound finals. The way you pronounce compound finals won't be the same as original sound anymore. It's different from what we learned, like wo, wa, ya. The first group of compound finals are I, A, V, Y.
I is like ye in buy. I. And in this part, I'll read them in different tones. 不挨白拍买带抬奶来该凯还摘柴骰在才赛外 I could also combine with u, I, y, y. 歌乌哀乖快怀拽揣帅 A is the same sound like the English letter A. 不 A 背陪美非得内雷给 K 黑 J 谁贼喂 V, the sound is like way, way. 的位对推贵亏回追吹谁醉催碎锐 I, A, V, Y. The mark tone follows the same rule as placed. A, W, E, U, Ü.
I, A, V, Y. Here are the tones.
Now it's your turn. 白兔飞机排队刺猬 海带，袋鼠，回家，嘴巴，奇怪，快乐，蟋蟀，怀疑。
The second group are all, o, u, 腰
O is like OW in how, but with a rather muted W sound at the end. O, O. 不傲，抱，跑，猫，到，掏，闹，老，高，考，号，招，潮，少，早，曹，扫，绕，咬，一，凹，腰，波一凹，标，票，喵，调，条，鸟，料，叫，桥，小。O is like O in go. O, O. 脱欧，剖，谋，否，都，头，no，楼，狗，口，猴，周，丑，瘦，走，凑，搜，肉，有。You is like you. You, you. 摸鼬，谬，丢，牛，六，九，球，修。In all of these finals, U is the special one. We place the tone mark on U. That means with Ui, U, the tone marks are both put at the end of the finals.
O, O, U,腰. Here are the tones.
Now it's your turn. 韭菜，报纸，跳水，海鸥，小草，老师，骄傲，流水。
Now let's see the third group. 耶，约，
耶 耶 is like ye in English letter yes. 耶耶波一耶别撇灭叠贴镊列结切斜 In our previous lesson, we talked about these two sounds. At the beginning of a syllable, E is written as E. E is written as E when it forms a syllable by itself. In the same way, we should write E when ye makes its own sound. Ye, ye. Yue. When you read this panel, please don't let your tongue relax. Make it stay tense. Touch your lower teeth the whole time. E, yu, yue. First pronounce the E and yu sounds, and then drop your jaw but don't move your tongue. Yue, 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 yue.
一、约、约、一、约、约、约、约。
Do you remember the two dots on the letter U? When we spell qi, yu, the two dots above U will be omitted, and it's written as ju, because there's no combination of ji, qi, xi with yu. So we omitted the two dots of yu for the sake of making it easier to write. So here, ji we write as jue, que, xue. But we have the sounds nu, 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 lu, 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 lu. So the two dots of u cannot be omitted. Nue, lue, is like er in deer. Er, 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 r. When we read in the first tone, usually we like to pronounce it as r sound. R.
耶、约、and r. Here are the tones.
Now it's your turn. Let's do some more exercises to practice this hard group. 椰子月牙耳朵夜里约会乐器爷爷女儿蝴蝶铁路皮靴 月球，麻雀，鸟儿。2月，野花。Let's have a review of these 3 groups. I, A, V, Y. O, O, U, 腰。耶，约。儿。Here's the comparison of them. I, ya. A,耶。V, u. V, u. And the tone marks are both put at the end of the finals. When we read in the last tone, usually we like to pronounce it as r, 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 r. Now it's your turn. 乌龟，茶杯，入睡，孩子，跑步，走路，儿子，学校。
Okay, this is today's lesson. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Bye!